back to another video. Brady, Carter, and I are fishing. Brady just saw one come up right there. I got one Smalley so far, and we'll just get back to you guys in a little bit. Video today. So far we've caught a few fish, 2 walleyes and a smallmouth. It's 8:20 right now. We're gonna tie up, get some jigs, and we're gonna get back out to the water. We're just jigging off this little ledge, and we've done pretty consistent so far. So it's about 50 degrees now, so we'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Guys, we just got up pretty early. It's around 7 o'clock, and we're gonna try to get the morning bite. So. Fish, fish. You want me to swing them over there? No. Swing over here. Morning bite. Watch out for my rod. Alright guys, first one of the day. Probably been here for maybe 5 minutes, so caught him on this little white grub and the orange and yellow flasher. So beautiful fish. So we might take a quick picture and then we're gonna get him back in the water. Got one. Fish. Oh yeah, boy. Brady's first smallmouth of the day. Watch my rods right there. What were you using, Brady?
Using just a little 3-inch white and pink worm. Nice little, probably a 1 1/4 pound Smalley.
Yeah. We're gonna get a quick picture of this guy and we're gonna start fishing again. Oh yeah, that was sick, dude. Brady's hooked up, Brady's hooked up. Dude!
No! It snapped off.
Just came off, guys. Just pulled up to the spot. Literally just pressed record. We got one fish already, so.
Oh, that was a nice one too.
We'll get back to you, boys.